So the iOS 18 beta has been out for more than 2 weeks now, and these are the most amazing features that I've found actually useful in my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now the first one, you guys can probably see there's no names underneath the icons over here for the settings, Planet Fitness, notes. There is no names, and because I have my icons on the large mode, so let me show you guys. You go to edit home screen, edit, next thing you know, customize, and here you could choose between large and small. I usually choose small, and if you choose small, the names will be underneath it. I wish if Apple gave us the option to keep the icon small but remove the names, but I guess that would be coming in a future update, hopefully, if they listen. Now the second biggest change is the color of the icons. For the very first time, Apple is putting their prestigious, their neat looking phones away, and they're finally letting us change the color of the icons without all of the shortcut app, you know, BS basically. Now you could drag and slide the colors, you can have them tinted, whatever color you like. And as you can see, the problem is that this is a beta, so you could see the colors are a bit off. But over time, you know, with the software and everything, things will get better soon. With the new betas, you can have them in dark, and that doesn't look like dark to me at all, but you know, it's just the beta and everything. But honestly, it's looking pretty good. The phone was laggy a bit. That's a beta. That's why it's very important to not install the beta on your main phone. You have to install it on a separate phone, but for the video purposes and YouTube purposes, I installed it on my main 14 Pro. The third biggest change is the control center. As you can see right here, brand new control center, and you can actually move the icons wherever you like. You could move the brightness slider here, the flash over here, etc. And it's really nice and neat, you know, like you can make it really comfortable for you. You could put this down there, over here for example. You could do all sorts of things, which is pretty cool. And the fourth biggest change is the flashlight. So if you turn on your flashlight, now it's gonna appear with the dynamic island, and if you go back, you actually hit on it, and now you can change the width. Now this is, you could increase how bright it is, but we've had this in the past, but now you can actually change the width of the flashlight if you'd like it to have it pointed. Obviously this is very, you know, early in the morning, I wouldn't be able to show you guys, but you can actually change the width, change how wide or how concentrated the flashlight is, which is pretty cool, and it always welcome new features like that. And lastly, the dictation. So you guys know, if you search for something, you just put this microphone and it will catch what you're saying, and honestly it's catching it pretty good for me. It is very precise. It doesn't make mistakes as much. I remember back then I used to make a lot of mistakes, and I wouldn't often use it because it was really bad. But now I can actually rely on it and use it for my personal use cases, you know. And also a sick thing that I wanted to tell you guys about is how fast the phone feels. I feel like now we're actually getting the full 120 Hz refresh rate. Previously, we had a rumor with iOS 17 that Apple was locking their iPhones to not go above 90 Hz. Now I can actually feel the phone a lot faster, a lot quicker, a lot more precise. And I hope that update rolls to the public really soon. It usually does roll to the public in September, so you guys would enjoy these amazing features. That was it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media. The links are going to be down there in the description. As always, this was Amgad, and I'll see you in the very next video.